How to search for users on Character AI. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search for users on Character AI. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And please don't forget that you're going to be able to find the sign up link and website links of Character AI in the description of this video. So just to remember, Character AI is a neural language model chatbot service that enables users to create characters with distinct personalities and engage in contextual conversations with them. There we have different examples here like Elon Musk, I don't know, another some other people that I don't really know well, but you can check here like famous people, and there's Albert Einstein, Joe Biden, Keanu Reeves, and so much people. It was launched in September 22, and users can craft characters based on fictional media, sources, celebrities, or original creations. Remember, these are the characters that you can speak to, but users are completely different. So, just to be clear, you can check on this part fits different users. As you can see, it has like a username. So they are like commenting like this post. There you can find the users, so you must click on it. And there you're gonna be able to start a new chat with them, or even to make a like to this person or to chat with them, okay? By the other side, here on community, you're gonna be able to check different posts related to announcements, character creation tips, or general. I'm going into this where you can find users too, okay? And the example that I did is gonna be the same here. So for instance, let's try to talk with Willie. You can like them, you can start a chat with them and create some comments if you want. And that's it. That's how you're gonna be able to contact users on Character AI. Thanks for watching.